Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete audio clip in a video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, without further ado, let's get started. I have already added a video clip that includes some unwanted audio. If I attempted to delete the audio by selecting it in the timeline and pressing the delete key, this will ended up by deleting both the audio and video clips simultaneously, which was not what I need. Here are two methods to delete the audio. Method 1 is: right-click on your video clip in the timeline. Select Unlink from the context menu. This will separate the audio and video tracks. Now you can select the audio track and press the delete key to remove the audio. Method 2 is: hold down the Alt key in Windows, or Option key in Mac while clicking on the audio clip. This will select only the audio clip, allowing you to press the delete key to delete the audio. By using either of these methods, you can remove the unwanted audio from your video clip while keeping the video intact. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.